Hey there! Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about living the frugal life with style and flair. If you're a young adult looking to stretch your budget and make the most out of your hard-earned cash, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we've got a fantastic lineup of frugal living hacks tailor-made just for you. From mastering budgeting to thriving in a roommate setup, we've got you covered. But before we dive in, make sure to smash that subscribe button and join our incredible community of savvy savers. Number 10. Budgeting Bliss. Budgeting doesn't have to be boring, my friends. With a few simple steps, you can take control of your finances and experience budgeting bliss. Start by tracking your expenses and categorizing them into fixed and variable costs. This way, you'll have a clear picture of where your money is going. Next, set realistic goals and create a budget that aligns with your income. Number 9. Masterful Meal Planning. Meal planning is your secret weapon. Say goodbye to last-minute takeout and hello to masterful meal planning. Start by creating a weekly meal plan and making a detailed grocery list based on that plan. This will help you avoid impulse purchases and save both time and money. Look for sales and discounts and consider buying in bulk for pantry staples. Number 8. Transportation Tricks. Want to cut down on transportation costs? Buckle up and get ready for some fantastic transportation tricks. Consider walking or biking for short distances. Not only will you save money on gas or public transportation, but you'll also get some exercise in the process. Carpooling or ride-sharing with friends or colleagues can also help reduce expenses. And hey, public transportation is your wallet's best friend. Number 7. Thrifty Entertainment. Who says entertainment has to cost a fortune? Get ready to have a blast without breaking the bank with our thrifty entertainment ideas. Check out local events and free activities happening in your area. From outdoor concerts to art exhibits, there's always something exciting going on that won't cost you a penny. Movie nights at home with friends can be just as fun as going to the theater, and it's a fraction of the cost. Number 6. Fashion Forward on a Budget. Ready to rock the latest trends without emptying your wallet? Get ready for some fashion-forward tips on a budget. Start by decluttering your closet and rediscovering hidden gems. Thrift stores and consignment shops are gold mines for unique, affordable fashion finds. And hey, let's not forget the power of accessories. A simple scarf or a statement necklace can transform any outfit without breaking the bank. Number 5. Tech Tricks for Savings. In this digital age, technology can be your wallet's best friend. Get ready for some tech-savvy tricks to boost your savings. Cashback and coupon apps are your new shopping buddies. They help you find discounts and earn money back on your everyday purchases. Price comparison websites are your secret weapon to finding the best deals and avoiding overspending. And hey, those forgotten subscriptions. Cancel them. Unleash the power of negotiation and get better rates on essential subscriptions. Number 4. Navigating Student Loans. Student loans can feel overwhelming, but fear not, my friends. We've got some tips to help you navigate this financial journey. Start by understanding your loan terms and repayment options. Consolidation or refinancing might be viable choices depending on your situation. Explore income-driven repayment plans that adjust your payments based on your income. And hey, there might be loan forgiveness programs or employer-sponsored repayment assistance waiting for you. Number 3. Savings with subscriptions. Say goodbye to unnecessary expenses with our savings subscription hacks. Start by reviewing all your current subscriptions and ask yourself if they truly bring value to your life. Cancel those that no longer serve a purpose or that you rarely use. Reach out to companies and negotiate better rates for essential subscriptions. Sharing is caring, so consider splitting subscription costs with friends or family members. Number 2. Thriving in a roommate setup. Living with roommates can be a fantastic way to save money and build lasting friendships. So let's dive into our secrets for thriving in a roommate setup. First and foremost, clear communication is the key to success. Establish boundaries and expectations from the start to avoid any misunderstandings. Splitting expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries can lead to significant savings for everyone involved. Consider creating a shared budget or using apps that simplify expense tracking and bill splitting. And hey, it's not just about the money. Invest time in building strong relationships with your roommates. Number 1. Side hustle sensations. Need some extra cash to reach your financial goals? Side hustles are here to save the day. Get ready for some side hustle sensations that will boost your income and expand your horizons. From freelancing to dog walking, tutoring to starting your own online business, the possibilities are endless. Choose a side hustle that aligns with your skills and interests, and dedicate some time each week to make it happen. And there you have it, our top 10 frugal living hacks for young adults. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more money-saving tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.